Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 3, Data Structures. Data structures are fundamental concepts in programming that allow you to organize and manipulate data efficiently. In R, there are several built-in data structures commonly used in data science. 1. Vectors. Vectors are one-dimensional arrays that can hold elements of the same data type, such as numeric, character, or logical values. 2. Matrices. Matrices are two-dimensional arrays with rows and columns. All elements in a matrix must be of the same data type. 3. Lists. Lists are versatile data structures that can hold elements of different data types. Each element in a list can be of any type, including vectors, matrices, other lists, or even functions. 4. Data frames. Data frames are similar to matrices but are more flexible and commonly used for storing tabular data. Unlike matrices, data frames can contain columns of different data types. 5. Factors. Factors are used to represent categorical data in R. They are especially useful for statistical analysis and modeling.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.